Good morning, Thunder. I'm Nabil.
And I'm Max.
Happy Wednesday, Thunder. Before we kick off, we do have some announcements to share with you all.
First off, PSAT testing will be at DV, so make sure to sign up by September 19th.
Next, there will be a men's soccer information meeting on September 9th in room C164 in Coach Elliott's room for all boys interested in playing soccer this year.
If you're planning to take any AP tests this year, don't forget to register by September 19th. For any questions, just stop by your counselor's office.
And a quick reminder that DV is a closed campus. That means no lunch deliveries from other restaurants or delivery services during the school day.
Student drivers, make sure to park in your assigned spot. Main lot decals must match your spot number and color, and church lot permit holders can park in any open spot in the lot. Feel free to contact Mrs. Richardson if you have any questions.
Lastly, if you're planning to attend the annual Tukey Bowl, make sure to follow the clear bag policy.
Speaking of the Tukey Bowl, let's hear from one of our football players about how they're feeling heading into the big game.
Andrew Shaw, and I play safety.
My name's Jarrett Bradford. I play offensive line.
Jaden Williams. I play wide receiver.
What does the Tukey Bowl mean to you?
Big rivalry game, been going on for years. About to be my third time playing in the game. Yeah, it's exciting. Long-lasting rivalry means a lot between Desert Vista and Mount Point.
It's very important. It's just like the rivalry. We lost last year, but this year we're gonna come back and do better.
How can students help us win?
Show up to the game. It's a whiteout. Student section needs to be, cheering loud. Everybody's got to be there, and just support the team.
Show up and show out. Be loud.
What are you most excited for?
To beat the brakes off Mountain Point.
Most excited for?
Excited to hit people.
I'm excited to play. Score some touchdowns, and excited to win.
That was some great insight from our football players. Good luck at the Tukey Bowl, guys.
While our players are focused on the game, it's just as important for our students to show great spirit in the stands. Here's Georgia with a reminder for fan etiquette at the Tukey Bowl.
Hey guys, we're seniors at DV. I'm Allie.
I'm Macy.
I'm Kyle.
I'm Caden, and we're here to talk about football etiquette and hyping you guys up for the football games this year.
Some of my favorite parts of coming to the football games are dressing out with my friends and really participating in the themes.
Also, one of my favorite memories from high school is just coming to the games, dressing up, being able to have fun, and, just follow the rules.
We just want to make sure everyone knows to dress out, wear the proper things, and follow the themes.
As you guys can see, we're all in camo, and we want you guys to just be exactly like us. Follow the spirit.
If you don't have an athletic pass, make sure to buy your ticket on GoFan before the game.
And make sure if you are bringing a bag that it is clear and not just a regular bag.
Make sure that we're respecting others, keep your space, keep your distance from others, no profanity, things like that.
Yeah, we understand you guys are fired up to cheer on Desert Vista, but we also have to be respectful to the opposing teams.
This Friday, September 5th, is Tukey Bowl, one of the biggest games of the year, where DV goes against Mountain Point.
Make sure to come in white out, that is a theme, and show your support for your team.
Big rivalry, we need everyone out there.
Roll Thunder. This is a big home game, and I expect to see everybody there. Go Thunder. Back to our anchors.
That was great insight on the Tukey Bowl. Let's make sure our DV spirit shines in the right way, not just at the Tukey Bowl, but every school event.
Now, shifting gears from the field to the classroom, let's take a closer look at DV's mythology class with Addie.
Modern mythology is basically a sum of mythology in current times. So we talk about things like comic books, like Spider-Man, that would be considered modern mythology. Things that are considered myths in current time. We kind of define what a myth is in mythology, and myth doesn't mean a lie or a story, but it's more as like a tale to tell,
We got to play with popsicle sticks. That was one of the main projects. We're doing a presentation on, we get to choose one of the mythology stories like Hercules and the 12 Labors, all the gods, Odysseus, that one was good.
I think that more people should take modern mythology because it's a super cool thing to learn about that I think not a lot of people get the opportunity to. A lot of our stuff is super hands-on and it's very student-led, so it's just a fun thing to be a part of.
And you build a lot of relationships. Like I made already like 4 new friends, so relationships are a big part of it.
That was a fascinating look into the mythology class.
Speaking of creativity, let's check out one of our amazing student bands with Sandro.
Hello, DV. I'm here with another local artist who's releasing an EP this week. Let's go meet him. I'm here with Kirsten Sosa. What's up, dude? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing okay. So what artist name do you go by?
Junk Shop.
So when do you plan on releasing this EP?
Friday.
Sounds good. What is it called?
It's called, As If I Make a Difference.
What kind of genre are you trying to go for with this EP?
Like melodic noise, math rock, just like stuff like that.
What are your main inspirations for this?
A picture of her, American football, and versus self.
Awesome. What new things are you doing on this EP then that you haven't done with your other work?
Probably like different time signatures, you know. I'm working on like implementing bass into my songs because ain't none of my other songs have bass. I'm not gonna lie, so.
Where can people find the next EP?
On all platforms, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to DVTV for bringing me out here.
That was an amazing look here at talent we have at DV.
Now let's hear from Paxton with some senior advice to help out the new freshmen on campus.
Hey DV, it's me, Paxton. Let's go see what the seniors have for advice for the freshmen. What's your name?
Talia.
And what's some advice you have for the freshmen?
Some good advice is go to class on time and don't wander around with y'all boyfriends. Y'all ain't gonna last that long anyway, so.
What's your name?
Leah,
And what's some advice you have for the freshmen?
just be yourself. Like, who cares what other people think?
Nice. What's your name?
Ariel,
And what's some words of motivation for the freshmen?
make sure to turn in all your work in on time.
What's your names?
I'm Gigi. I'm Liz.
And what's some advice you have for the freshmen?
We kind of have the same advice. I think that, like, your friends are the most important thing. Make as many friends as possible.
Nice. That's all for me, DV. Adios.
Those tips are sure to help out our new students.
Well, that's all we have for you this week. Make sure you follow us on all our social media at DVHS Thunder Media.
Goodbye!
Bye.